Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into everything you need to know to stay healthy and thrive. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for your health: how micronutrients can boost your immune system. So, grab a snack and let's get started. Micronutrients might not get as much spotlight as macronutrients like proteins, fats, and carbs, but they play a crucial role in keeping your immune system in top shape. Think of them as the tiny superheroes working behind the scenes to help your body fight off infections and diseases. Let's break down the top micronutrients that are essential for a robust immune system. First up is vitamin C. This powerful vitamin supports the production of white blood cells, which are your body's frontline defenders against infections. You can find it in citrus fruits like oranges, strawberries, and even bell pepper. Next is vitamin D. This one's a game changer for modulating your immune response and activating those crucial T cells. While a bit of sunshine helps your body produce vitamin D, you can also get it from fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, or fortified dairy products. Don't forget about zinc. It's vital for the development and function of your immune cell. You can boost your zinc intake with meat, shellfish, legumes, and even some seeds and nuts. Vitamin A is another key player. It helps maintain the integrity of your skin and mucous membranes, which are your first line of defense against pathogens. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach are great sources of vitamin A. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects your cells from damage and supports overall immune function. Snack on nuts, seeds, and include spinach in your meals to get your vitamin E fix. Finally, selenium. This mineral helps prevent cellular damage and supports your immune system's ability to respond to infections. You can get selenium from Brazil nuts, seafood, and whole grain. And there you have it, 6 powerful micronutrients that can give your immune system a serious boost. Remember, a balanced diet rich in these nutrients can make a huge difference in your overall health. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who could benefit from these tips. And, as always, let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy out there. Until next time.